custom brake, custom derby, custom horn, custom engine bay parts, lower pegs, shift, chin spoiler, chrome oil filter, gas tank, original paint, Harley Davidson, not a scratch, not a dent, as you can see. Custom drag bar, custom Harley Davidson grips, skull, go as well. Custom Harley Davidson chrome levers, custom signal light, relocation from here to the forks here will go as well. Headlight, no stone chips, no dings, no cracks. Bezel, no dents, no dings. Front fender, no chips, no scratches, no nothing. Perfect. Lower portion of the front fender, no scratches, no dings, no dents, no paint chips. VIN number. Pegs. Once again, Harley Davidson 1200 custom. Once again, right side of the gas tank, no dents, no paint chips, no scratches, complete gas tank, flawless, with custom trim. Oil cover, no dents, no scratches. Passenger custom lower pegs, Harley Davidson skull. Rear axle covers, rear belt cover, rear solid Fat Boy chrome rim, docking system will be there if you decide. I will install it today for the CC bar and detachable rack. Plenty of thread, as you can see. Plenty of thread on the tires. Rear fender, not a paint chip, not a scratch, nowhere. Right side, left side. Once again, axle covers, chrome Fat Boy rear rim, custom, a little bag for your goggles or wrench tools, whatever you want to put there. Custom brake reservoir Harley Davidson, custom Harley Davidson derby cover. Once again, custom engine dressing kit, custom horn cover, and driver pegs. Once again, and the custom triple tree fork covers, and the one under there. Once again, plenty of thread.